Good day. We would like to show you how we can make your production more efficient. During our 4 years of development, we have implemented various customized projects. As a result, and with our sound, lean know-how, we have taken our Pick-by-Light to another level. We developed the software and hardware in a young but also very dynamic team. Our aim is to ensure that your production staff work hand in hand with SETAGO, thus eliminating unnecessary activities. Using SETAGO Pick-by-Light, you work in a reliable process and, therefore, you do not make any mistakes. Training of new employees is quick, yet also very easy. Through additional logistics functions, extended links to robots, as well as connections to various software, we have taken a decisive step towards the smart factory concept with SETAGO. We integrate ERP systems directly into our software, and thus enable the entire data flow in production. SETAGO integrates all industrial components into a complete solution, such as collaborative robots or driverless transport systems. We offer complete customized integration from a single source and provide support for complex projects. Enhancements and modifications are part of everyday life. Together, we develop a concept and improve the process step by step. The objective of SETAGO is to provide improvements at the workplace, secure the process, and offer customized solutions. We then jointly contribute to digitization with sound, lean know-how and innovative products. You tell us your requirements, and we respond with the solution. See, take, and go.